Our world still holds secrets that often seem more like science fiction than real life. From jungles to deep seas, new species surface each year, reminding us that evolution is far wilder and more inventive than we usually give it credit for. These creatures are challenging everything we know about survival and beauty. Today, we're looking at the strangest animals found this year, and trust us, each one breaks the mold in ways you can't even imagine. Bizarre and breathtaking. Let's start off with number 15. Acreoptera manga. This is a dazzling stick insect native to Madagascar, and it uses color in ways most stick insects don't. While its relatives stay bark-colored and invisible, adult males of this species become bright electric blue when they mature. This striking color likely serves two purposes: attracting mates and warning predators, thanks to a possibly toxic plant-based diet. Females, however, stay brown and twig-like, using camouflage to move safely through the forest. Both sexes possess wings, but they aren't for flying. Instead, they produce a distinct sound when threatened, functioning as an odd but effective defense in an environment where blending in is typically essential. Acreoptera manga inhabits specific regions of Madagascar, feeding on local foliage. Its intense coloration has fascinated entomologists because it's a rare example of sexual dimorphism. Males use bold visibility to compete, while females use invisibility to endure. In a forest where hiding is usually crucial, this insect proves that boldness can sometimes mean survival. Number 14. Pelican spider. The spider hunts other spiders using its extended neck and piercing jaws to capture prey at a safe distance. It's native to Madagascar, South Africa, and Australia. This beauty gets its name from a long neck and beak-like jaws resembling a pelican's bill. These unique jaws are more than just appearance. They're essential tools for precision hunting. Instead of using webs, pelican spiders actively stalk and impale other spiders, striking from afar and avoiding counterattacks. Their method is fast, clean, and deadly. Even more fascinating is their age. Fossils show they've stayed nearly unchanged for 165 million years, making them living relics of the Jurassic era. Their hunting technique has worked so well that evolution never needed to redesign them. In recent studies, scientists identified 18 new species in Madagascar alone, showing there's still vast spider diversity hiding in forest ecosystems. With patience, precision, and perfect adaptation, this tiny predator proves that survival doesn't always mean change. Number 13. Sunda flying lemur. The Sunda flying lemur is a nocturnal gliding mammal native to Southeast Asia, best known for its incredible aerial ability. Measuring 14 to 16 inches in length and weighing between 2 and 4.5 pounds, this animal can glide distances of up to 230 feet. Some have even been recorded gliding nearly 490 feet in a single leap. A thin, wing-like membrane stretches between its front and hind limbs, and its webbed toes and fingers allow it to soar with ease through the forest canopy. Scientists long believed these creatures were related to bats, but genetic studies revealed a closer evolutionary link to primates. Gliding is essential for escaping predators, foraging, and navigating territories without descending to the dangerous forest floor. Strictly nocturnal, they eat leaves and buds from dense canopy trees. Their solitary behavior and quiet nighttime movements make human sightings rare. Observing one gliding through moonlit branches is like witnessing a perfectly engineered airborne mammal shaped by evolution. Number 12. Brookesia nana. The nano-chameleon is the world's tiniest chameleon, a micro-predator hiding in Madagascar's rainforests. Found in 2021, adult males measure just 13.5 millimeters from snout to vent, with a total length of 22 millimeters. Females grow slightly bigger, up to 29 millimeters. Even at that size, Brookesia nana functions like a full predator, hunting springtails, mites, and insects on the forest floor. Unlike other chameleons known for dramatic color shifts, this one stays brownish, blending into leaf litter perfectly. Its camouflage keeps it safe while sneaking up on prey. Due to its tiny size and secretive nature, it escaped scientific detection until recently. In Madagascar's dense jungles, being small is a serious advantage, letting the nano-chameleon explore microhabitats, reduce competition, and remain unnoticed. Scientists are eager to study its life cycle, reproduction, and population health, but rainforest destruction threatens its future. Brookesia nana is more than just a small reptile. It's a rare symbol of evolutionary precision in miniature form. Number 11. Greater gliders. This is an Australian marsupial known for silently gliding through eucalyptus forests at night. This nocturnal species looks like a mix between a possum and a koala. Its skin membranes extend from elbows to ankles, allowing smooth movement between treetops. Naturally solitary, it rests during the day in leaf-lined hollows across territories ranging from 7 to 30 hectares. It feeds on nutrient-rich young eucalyptus leaves, making old-growth forests essential for survival. But decades of deforestation, land clearing, and climate-driven fires have caused populations to decline by as much as 80% in some areas. In 2022, the species was officially listed as endangered. Greater gliders are highly sensitive to environmental disruptions, making them important indicators of forest health. Protecting them supports the survival of entire ecosystems. Watching a glider drift through moonlit canopies is a quiet marvel. Its graceful flight hides its fragile reality, reminding us that survival depends not just on adaptation, but on protecting what remains. Number 10. Sacoglossan sea slugs. This is a marine creature with one of the most bizarre survival mechanisms ever documented. While plenty of animals use body part detachment as defense, geckos shedding tails or insects dropping limbs, this slug takes the concept far further. It can literally detach its entire head from its body. We're talking heart, organs, and everything left behind, with only the head continuing to survive. That's precisely what Sacoglossan does. Once detached, a unique biological process begins. The head regenerates a completely new body, stomach, heart, and digestive system. This transformation isn't slow or sloppy. Within just 3 weeks, the slug is fully restored and ready to return to ocean life. Scientists are fascinated because it disrupts everything we understand about regeneration. Most animals only regenerate parts, not full bodies. But this species resets itself entirely. Its escape mechanism, leaving its entire body behind, is nature's most drastic survival bet. It doesn't just flee from danger, it completely abandons it to begin again. Number 9. Leaf deer. The leaf deer, aka the miniature muntjac, is a tiny forest-dwelling deer known for its long canine teeth and petite antlers found in Myanmar and India. It stands just 20 inches tall and weighs around 24 pounds, but carries surprisingly long fangs and antlers barely over an inch. Quiet and solitary, it roams mid-altitude evergreen forests, where thick undergrowth and scattered sunlight offer safety. Leaf deer eat fruits, leaves, and seeds, contributing to forest renewal and biodiversity. Their small size helps them stay hidden, but habitat loss and poaching are growing threats. Deforestation and expanding agriculture continue to shrink their natural environment, putting more pressure on already isolated populations. They're shy by nature, mostly active at dawn and dusk, avoiding predators and people alike. While adaptable in diet, they still rely on dense, healthy forests. Long overlooked, the miniature muntjac is now gaining attention among wildlife researchers and conservationists, not for size or strength, but for its quiet, essential role in nature. Number 8. Newcastle funnel web spider. Australia is known for its lethal wildlife, from snakes to crocodiles, but it also harbors one of the deadliest spiders, the funnel web. In 2025, researchers documented a new species from this group, Atrax christopheri, or the Newcastle funnel web spider. The male, nicknamed Big Boy, has a notably larger leg span, measuring up to 9.2 centimeters. The discovery was made around Newcastle in New South Wales, where scientists noticed unusually large specimens. Arachnologist Kane Christensen first spotlighted the species after observing them in the wild. Its venom is loaded with powerful neurotoxins that impact the nervous system, and without antivenom, a bite could be deadly. Though no recent deaths have been recorded thanks to treatments developed since the 1980s, symptoms can still include muscle spasms, sweating, and, in severe cases, respiratory failure. The spider builds silk-lined burrows with funnel-shaped entrances to ambush prey. Its discovery shows how even urban areas can hide unknown species. Number 7. Atala reynoldsi. In the dark waters off Monterey Bay, a strange jellyfish drifts. Atala reynoldsi, officially named in 2022. Part of the crown jellyfish family, this species stands out for a few key features. Unlike its relatives with long trailing tentacles, Atala reynoldsi has a ring of short ones surrounding its bell and a distinctive cross-shaped gut. It lives at depths around 1,000 meters and emits a faint bioluminescent glow. First recorded in 2014 by an ROV, scientists knew it was something new, but confirmation took years. Much about its behavior, diet, and biology remains unknown. Its glow might confuse predators or help capture prey, but nobody knows for sure. It proves how little we truly understand about deep-sea ecosystems. With the ocean's depths still mostly unexplored, discoveries like this jellyfish are rare but crucial. Each new species found in the abyss gives researchers more clues about how life evolves under pressure, cold, and constant darkness. Number 6. Darwin's frog. Hidden in the forests of southern Chile and Argentina lives one of nature's most astonishing amphibians. First collected by Charles Darwin during the HMS Beagle voyage, this tiny frog measures only a few centimeters, but its reproduction is anything but ordinary. After laying eggs in moist soil, the male returns once the embryos begin to move. Then, he does something remarkable. He swallows the eggs into his vocal sac. Inside, they continue developing safely, nourished by yolk and the male's body secretions. Weeks later, fully formed froglets emerge from his mouth, skipping the tadpole phase completely. This method offers a huge evolutionary edge, protecting the young from predators and harsh conditions. Darwin's frog plays a critical ecological role as an insect predator and environmental indicator. But its future is fragile. Like many amphibians, it's threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. It's a strange yet effective parenting method that proves that evolution doesn't just adapt, it reinvents survival itself. Number 5. Mount Lyell shrew. High in California's Sierra Nevada mountains, one of North America's smallest mammals went unseen for over a century. The Mount Lyell shrew, measuring just 3.5 to 3.9 inches, resembles a mole with a pointed snout and sharp teeth. First documented in 1902, it remained a scientific ghost until November 2024, when 3 students captured rare images near Mono Lake using baited traps. This elusive shrew survives in alpine terrain, slipping through rocks and thick underbrush. It preys on insects and small invertebrates while serving as food for birds and larger mammals. Its role is small but critical, maintaining insect balance and supporting the food chain. Rediscovering it underscores how many species remain overlooked, even in well-studied regions. For the students, the moment was unforgettable, a rare glimpse into a fragile ecosystem. The shrew's reappearance also highlights how vulnerable high-elevation species are to environmental stress. Its survival offers insight into conservation and ecosystem resilience. Number 4. The grumpy dwarf goby. In the coral reefs of the Red Sea lives a tiny fish with a constant scowl. The grumpy dwarf goby was officially named in 2024 after its discovery in 2022. Its perpetually frowning mouth and fiery red color make it hard to miss, but only if you know where to look. Its coloring allows it to vanish against red coral and algae, acting as perfect camouflage. Despite its size, the goby is an efficient hunter, using sharp teeth to feed on tiny invertebrates. It thrives in crevices between 10 and 53 meters deep, places larger predators can't reach. Its secretive behavior explains why it went undiscovered for so long, proving even familiar marine ecosystems still hold surprises. The goby's blend of stealth, aggression, and survival instinct lets it dominate its niche. While it may look cartoonishly annoyed, it's a reminder that even the tiniest creatures in competitive habitats have to fight hard to stay alive. Number 3. Smiling terrapin. In the calm freshwater of Southeast Asia, a small turtle with an unusual appearance thrives. Known as the smiling terrapin or black marsh turtle, it lives in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. It grows 17 to 20 centimeters long and is recognized by its smooth, dark shell and upward curved mouth, giving it a permanent smile. Mostly nocturnal, it feeds on worms, insects, crustaceans, aquatic plants, and fallen fruit, allowing it to adapt to various wetlands. In Thailand, this turtle holds religious significance. Temples often shelter them in ponds, believing the creatures host the souls of those who sacrifice themselves for others. But even with their sacred role, black marsh turtles face real threats. Habitat loss from urban growth, illegal wildlife trade, and use in traditional medicine have all contributed to their decline. Conservationists now emphasize both their ecological and spiritual importance. These turtles help balance freshwater ecosystems while serving as quiet symbols of patience, endurance, and natural harmony. Number 2. The woolly devil plant. In Texas's Big Bend National Park, a tiny desert plant grows among limestone rocks, surviving extreme heat and dryness. Known as the woolly devil, it stands just 0.39 to 1.18 inches tall. Its stems and leaves are covered in thick white hairs that help trap moisture and reflect sunlight, an ideal adaptation for harsh desert climates. In March 2024, a park volunteer spotted the plant and posted it online. Botanists later confirmed it as a new species, and so distinct that it warranted a brand new genus in the sunflower family. It became the first new genus found in a U.S. national park in nearly 50 years. Though small, it supports local pollinators and adds to the park's ecological variety. Its discovery also highlights the power of citizen science. Without the volunteer, it might have gone unnoticed for years. The woolly devil's resilience proves that even in places thought barren, nature continues to surprise with forms perfectly suited for survival. Number 1. Portuguese man-o'-war. The Portuguese man-o'-war isn't a jellyfish, but a colony of specialized organisms operating as a single being. It's actually a siphonophore, genetically identical individuals working together as one. Each part serves a unique function. Some sting, others digest, and some offer movement. Alone, they wouldn't survive. Together, they form a single, complex, alien-like entity that drifts across oceans. Its long, venomous tentacles serve both for catching prey and fending off attackers. Even detached tentacles can sting, causing sharp pain, severe swelling, and in rare cases, systemic reactions like cardiac arrest or anaphylaxis. Although rarely fatal, human encounters are taken seriously. The creature's alien appearance and cooperative biology make it one of the ocean's most fascinating predators. It moves passively with ocean currents, while each component carries out its function in balance, feeding, reproducing, and defending. Scientists are intrigued by how such a fragile structure survives through symbiosis, just like we do. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.